Hello guys, welcome you back to my channel. My name is KAFTAN, so I hope you guys are all doing great. Today's tutorial is going to be a quick one. I will show you how to make this beautiful hair scrunchie, okay? Something you can make for yourself, very stylish, and of course a must-have among your fashion accessories. Getting started, here I have this little piece of fabric here. First of all, I have this 1/2 inch of elastic. This is 9 inches in length. Then of course this satin fabric here, I have it 29 inches in length against 5 inches in width. Okay, you can actually use between 25 to 30 inches. Okay, that depends on you. So what I need to do now is just to fold this fabric along this length into two like this. Okay, now starting from this end point, I mark say about 1.5 inches. Okay, at this point here, I'm going to run 1/2 inch all the way, starting from this 1.5 inch point, run it all the way straight down till stopping also 1.5 inches away from the other end. So having sewn this all through, next thing I'll do now is to take my safety pin and turn it to the right side. So you have it turned to the right side. So I'll just take both edge from this point. I'll pick an edge here and the edge on the other side. Okay, they should be aligning. Place it together like this and sew it 1/2 inch till I get to the other end. So you can see all sewn. Make sure you trim the rough edges, after which I can now pull it out like so. Now you have this. So in this opening you have here, I will take my safety pin to my elastic, the 9 inch of elastic, then I'll pass it through. Be sure to be careful holding it to the other end so that the whole elastic doesn't go in. At this edge, I will hold it down with a pin and continue passing the other elastic. Here, of course, I'm creating the ruffle for the scrunchie. At the other end is out, so I'll just hold them together firmly, take off the pin and carefully knot it. Make sure the knot is very tight, like so. Trim out the edges, and here we are done. Just try to ruffle it out. Then of course this opening here, also go and stitch it very tiny. Okay, just stitch it at this end and the scrunchie is ready. Here you have it. Very simple to make and very stylish. Something you can do for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to share this video, give me a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel. Till I see you on the next one. Have a beautiful day.